Describe an occasion when you got incorrect information. You should say when you got it, how you found it was incorrect, and how you felt about it.
Sometimes we are provided with incorrect information, although these types instances are very rare, but they can cause a lot of trouble. And I also face one problem when I was a student of admission seeker, and it was 2017. First time I came to Dhaka from my village and got admitted myself one renowned coaching center for my admission purpose, and it was UCC. And from my childhood I had a dream. I have to admit myself in Dhaka University because it is one of the best institution in Bangladesh. So I dedicated myself and also gave full effort for my reading purpose. 3 months later, the authority took the exam, and I participated in this exam. And 2 days later, the university authority published their result in their website. Unfortunately, on that time I stay in the village, and in the village condition the internet connection was poor, so I could not see my result in the website. So I sent my roll one of my friends to check my result, but 2 minutes later my friend gave a message to me and said to me, I couldn't find your role in the website, maybe you failed in the exam. When I heard this talks from my friend, I break down and start crying. But one of my cousin who was really expert in internet, he also explored my crisis and also took a role from myself, and so he again searched my role in the fixed website, but on the time he found my role, and I stood 760 to whole merit position. And first time when my friend searched my role in the website, maybe he made a mistake, that's why he couldn't find my role in the website. From this insistence, we taught a message. When we face these types of problem, we need patience.